Hi everybody, Dizzy Nails and Beauty here with another set of nails. I'm working on my daughter today, as obviously we all know we can't be working on clients or have anyone in. My daughter actually lives with me, so it's not breaking any rules, just in case any of you are wondering. She asked for a set of acrylics, which is unusual for her because she generally goes with the natural nail look and just a gel polish. So I was quite excited to finally do a set of acrylic on a real person. And we're coming in using the Tears Beauty Camisole Core Powder. This is definitely becoming a firm favourite for me. I'm really liking it. I didn't think I'd like a powder as much as Naked, but this one, it's kind of tipping that boat really. Can't decide which one I like the best, but as I've not picked Naked up since, I'm guessing this is probably my new best one. So we're just going to lay those down on all 10 nails. Not going to show you all 10 nails because that would be kind of boring, just doing the one colour, because we are actually going to do a gel polish design. The design that we're going to do, my daughter had found on her Instagram or TikTok or something. I don't know where she got it from, but it's basically like a camouflagey one. I didn't quite get a picture actually of it, but if I can, I will link the picture I will put a link in for the picture so I can give credit to the actual person who came up with this design, because it isn't my design. So once all the acrylics are on and they've set up and dried, we're then going to come in and file them. This is my filing routine. I file the side walls and then just slightly underneath, just to get rid of any excess acrylic that's rough there. Then I come in again around the cuticle area and the side walls, and then I go down throughout the body of the nail. And this is just what I do on every set. I'm not going to show you filing every single nail, but that's basically my routine. And then I will come in, which I'm not sure if I show on the video, with a buffing block, just to get rid of any scratches or anything like that. So this set is going to be a nude set, so we're going from basically like a chocolate brown to a very pale nude colour. I know this one was a C&D one. I'd used that many polishes and I forgot to film which ones I actually did use. So I'm just guessworking it. I don't know the names because, silly me, I actually put all the polishes away before filming it. So I'm a silly girl. So, but I do know this one is definitely a C&D one, and I think the majority of them was C&D and Kira Sky. I don't think I used any other products, so I'm just going to do this on the pinkies, and this is coming in with our second coat, and I'm just working on one hand at a time really. We're going to miss the ring finger out because that's the way we're going to do the design, and then we're coming in with the Akira Sky one now. And you'll see that they're just basically changing into tones. Sorry, I'm completely off camera here. No excuses. Just wasn't keeping an eye on the screen, obviously. We'll just do the second coat of that colour. And we're coming in again with another Kira Sky colour. No, we changed our minds, and then we ended up coming in with, I think it was Nude knickers we'd put on here. with the Kira Sky polish we're putting on here now, which we end up taking off, I just thought it was a bit too close to the next colour we was going to be having on, so we changed it up a bit. And then for the thumbs we have got the Kira Sky polish. And then we're just going to do the second coats and get them all cured. I'm sorry we can hear a lot of background noises. Don't know what's going on my front. I live in a cul-de-sac and it's normally very quiet, but today it just seems to be very loud. I'm not sure if the microphone will pick that up, so I do apologise if it is. And now we're on to the ring finger, to do the design. I did start out with my Licente S2 brush, I think it was, just to do it. It's basically we're just doing like a camouflage design, but only on the top half of the nail. Doesn't really show up very well because the colour polish we're using is very close to the Nude camisole on the actual nail. And we're just going to do this, repeat the same on the next handrail, and we're just going to go back into just while each one is curing. It saves time and it means you don't need to stop working and waiting around. And when I'm doing these, I'm just basically going along in a line with all the different shades of the polishes we've already put on the nails to just keep it uniformed. Although I do believe we come in with a white. I just said to her when we did it, I felt like it needed something brighter than what was already on there because it was looking quite muted, and she agreed, so we do actually add some white in there. So I'm just going to kind of leave you here now so you can continue watching it. I do use the Nails matte top coat because she wanted the nails matte, and then cute coil them up, and basically that's it, guys. So I do appreciate you watching and taking the time out of your day to do that. But if you could comment or give me a thumbs up, subscribe even, then that would be fantastic too. And I shall see you soon, and thanks again. Bye.